Hello friends, this topic is taken from international relation. The title of the video is No First Use Doctrine. It is interesting looking at the history of no first use doctrine of nuclear weapons. This doctrine evolved in the context of Cold War, which started in 1945 and ended in 1990. During the Cold War, Warsaw Pact had an overwhelming advantage in conventional military terms within Europe. Warsaw Pact was a collective defense treaty signed in Warsaw at Poland between the Soviet Union and seven other Eastern Bloc Socialist Republics of Central and Eastern Europe in 1955. The NATO thus kept open the option of first use of nuclear weapons in the context of existential threat to the Western Europe from the Soviet Union invasion across the Iron Curtain. But the Soviet Union, who held the conventional advantage, embraced no first use doctrine in 1983. After the USSR fell in 1991 and Moscow's conventional advantage evaporated, the Russian Federation abandoned no first use doctrine. If you compare the Indian scenario, India's conventional superiority over Pakistan makes sense of no first use doctrine. The question is whether it would make sense in a larger conflict, for example, with China. It is also worth noting that India's conventional advantage is being eroded in the recent past. The reason for the erosion may be low defense spending. Similarly, India's nuclear deterrent is certainly not so overwhelming, so that military planners could be sure that any first strike would wipe out an enemy's offense potential. To conclude, if we learn a lesson from the past, we should revisit our nuclear policy doctrine. Thank you for watching my video.